Have you ever struggled to learn something new? Whether it's a new language, a musical instrument, or a complex concept, the process of learning can be daunting and time-consuming. But fear not, because I'm here to share with you 5 brain hacks that will help you learn anything faster and more efficiently. The first brain hack is to use spaced repetition. This technique involves spacing out your study sessions over time, rather than cramming all at once. By reviewing the material at intervals, you are able to reinforce your memory and retain the information for longer periods. This method is based on the psychological principle of the spacing effect, which suggests that information is better retained when it is revisited at spaced intervals. The second brain hack is to practice retrieval. Instead of simply rereading the material, try to actively recall and retrieve the information from memory. This can be done through flashcards, quizzes, or simply trying to recall the information without looking at your notes. By engaging in retrieval practice, you are strengthening your memory and making the information more accessible in the future. The third brain hack is to teach someone else. One of the best ways to solidify your understanding of a topic is to teach it to someone else. By explaining the material in your own words and answering questions, you are not only reinforcing your own knowledge, but also gaining a deeper understanding of the subject. Teaching someone else forces you to think critically about the material and can help you identify any gaps in your understanding. The fourth brain hack is to take breaks. It may seem counterintuitive, but taking breaks can actually help you learn faster. Our brains have a limited capacity for sustained focus, and taking short breaks can help to recharge your cognitive resources. By taking breaks, you are giving your brain time to rest and consolidate the information you have learned. So don't feel guilty about taking a short walk or grabbing a snack. It may actually help you learn more effectively in the long run. The fifth brain hack is to get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for learning and memory consolidation. When we sleep, our brains process and store information from the day, making it easier to recall later on. Lack of sleep can impair cognitive function and make it more difficult to learn new information. So make sure to prioritize your sleep and aim for 7 to 9 hours per night to optimize your learning potential. In conclusion, learning doesn't have to be a daunting task. By incorporating these 5 brain hacks into your study routine, you can learn anything faster and more efficiently. Remember to use spaced repetition, practice retrieval, teach someone else, take breaks, and get enough sleep. With these strategies in place, you'll be well on your way to mastering any new skill or concept. So go ahead, start implementing these brain hacks today, and watch your learning abilities soar.